Welcome to the May 2025 Fixed Income Outlook. A lot has changed in the last 1 month, which has resulted in newer expectations of how the shape of this interest rate cycle is going to be. We do expect rates to trend lower and possibly remain there for longer this time around. So let's see what's driving this change in India's interest rate game and understand what that means for investors like you. Interest rates are taking a new direction in India, with the RBI changing its stance from neutral to accommodative and cutting interest rates for the second time in a row. Food inflation played spoilsport last year, keeping the RBI on its toes, but this year will be a little different with a great harvest season behind us and a normal monsoon ahead of us. Globally, we're expecting a slowdown given the policy uncertainty, and both the IMF as well as the RBI expect some of this global slowdown to impact India and have reduced India's growth forecasts. Now the RBI's focus has completely shifted to managing growth instead of maintaining or controlling inflation, and we see that in the way committee members have voted over the last few months. With 2 rate cuts behind us, banks have been the first to reduce savings bank account rates, with the big institutions cutting them to 2.75%. Now your fixed deposits could be next in line, and then you might see a whole host of fixed income investments yielding less than they did before. So if you want to protect your returns in a falling interest rate environment, then we have just the tools for you. Join us on our webinar on May 3rd to discuss how you can make smarter saving decisions in a lower interest rate environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any ideas on what's happening in the fixed income space or you have any questions, you can always write to us at 9500027285.